Hello everyone, this is Wesley once again with Expandacraft with our first installation inside my new shop that doesn't quite yet have a door, or most of the wall that the door is attached to. We're here with Joel. Now Joel, can you tell me quickly what kind of yak are we putting two different outrigger kits on? We'll explain.
So this initially was just for fishing. I got a tandem for my dad so that I could sit here, he can sit over here. And then Dad passed away from COVID. So now it's just me. Sometimes I'll take the dog, I'll put the dog up here. But now I want to expand it, to expand the craft so that it will be not only for fishing, but potentially for two couples, a couple here, a couple there. You can even dance off it if you want.
Oh yeah.
And also I wanted to take it to Stanhatchee for scalloping. The goal would be put a ladder here, that way you can do some snorkeling.
Well, we've been busy here for, an hour and a half or so, and we've gotten quite a lot done. Now this was a special, special in that it wasn't very typical. We did the typical rivets on the backside, but the front, you couldn't get the flanges where we wanted them, so we did an up and down through the cross tube kind of deal. Now, here's the fun thing, folks. Remember about Expandacraft. Now, he has different friends and different needs for different days, so he is going to have a 6-foot outrigger sometimes, and then tomorrow we're going out to do some in-water testing to show off not only with it a 6-foot wide one-sided outrigger, but then an 8-foot wide two-sided outrigger. Why would you choose to go with both a 1 and a 2?
Well, essentially, if I want to take it for like on a lake or like out here where you have a huge body of water where you don't have to be narrow, I want to go wider. You could essentially have 2 people here and 2 people there just lounging. Or, like I said, I like to dance. So salsa, bachata, you can have 2 people here, 2 people there, dancing at the same time.
I have got to get a video of that. I'm coming to Georgia when you have these pretty little girls. By the way, gang, I don't know if you know it, but Mr. Expandacraft here was in the dance business for 25 years. That's right. I was a dance instructor, owned a studio called City Lights Dance Club. 25 years, Latin, swing, ballroom. That's right, Mr. Expandacraft can dance.
Expandacraft/dancecraft.
Yeah. Well, we're going to have more video on this, and Joel is going to hook me up with some video of him dancing with these pretty young ladies that he tells me about, which I'm sure he's going to be able to dance on this space. If you'll look, he's going to have 3 deck planks on this side and 3 on the other when it's an 8 feet wide craft. This is going to be some kind of fun.
One of a kind. One of a kind.
Expandacraft.com. Hey, wait a minute. What do you think about so far with the installation? We've been doing it together as a team. Has it been difficult?
Not really. I mean, it takes somebody that knows what they're doing, like Wesley.
Hey. I'm going to offer the vacation plan where they can come stay in the 36-foot RV camper at the campground. And then we can do the installation and go out in some of these beautiful areas here in Panacea, Florida. Salt water, brackish water, fresh water. We got gators, we got birds galore, and it's so beautiful here. Expandacraft.com. Check us out. We're going to have more video of this on the water as soon as we get her done.
That's right.